Here's how to cast your Quest 2 to your TV using your headset or the Oculus app. You'll need to cast to either a smart TV or a TV with the Chromecast installed. Turn on your TV and your Quest 2. Make sure both your TV and Quest 2 are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Press the Oculus button on your right-hand controller. You'll see the Home menu under the Apps window. Click on Sharing to open the window and then click on the Cast tab. A pop-up will appear. Select your TV device and click Next. Our pop-up looks a bit different here as we're already casting to our TV in order to capture this video. You'll now see your headset on your TV. First, turn on your TV and Quest 2. Make sure both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Launch the Oculus app on your mobile. In the top right corner, tap the Cast icon. Tap the drop-down arrow next to this phone. If your TV appears, tap on it, otherwise you'll find it under Other Devices. Tap Start and your Quest 2 will cast your TV.